guys, so it's already 6:30 in the morning. So this will be my new weekly vlog. So I'm just starting today for my first entry on my weekly vlog. So there are things happened lately and I wanted to document it and of course show it to you guys. So there are amazing things happened and I wanted to start doing some weekly vlog. So it's going to be a day-to-day snippets of my daily life, on my career, lifestyle, some sort of that. And sorry for my voice, I just woke up today. It's already Thursday. Now I'm just going to prepare for my breakfast, and yeah, I'm after that I'm going to prepare now for my work. So I have meeting at 10 in the morning on my new team. So I'm just gonna talk it out later. And yeah. So it's almost 9 in the morning. So it's 1 hour left before the meeting with the CEO or the owner, one of the owner of the company that I'm working on right now. So that's one of the events that's one of the new events that's happening in my career right now, in my work right now. So what we are going to discuss is the details of the dashboard, the product that I'm going to design with. So it's more of an urgent project that we're going to do, and yeah, it's going. They're more into, the company is a blockchain company, more into cryptos, NFT. So I'm just so lucky and blessed to be part of the team, to be officially be part of the team, because I worked with them last month. So I helped with the UI and UX of their new coming soon website. So we have a senior developer that's going to develop the design that I've created. So just so excited to be that that website to go live, and soon of course I'm going to share it with you guys. And yeah, so going to check my to-do list and work with the new ones and work with the pending tasks. Continue working with those ones with my other freelance projects. No, I mean, I'm waking up at around 6:30 in the morning, 6, 7. Yeah. So the meeting turned out well, and we've got a lot of discussion about this dashboard, and we need to create that ASAP because of the pre-sale of the tokens.
Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that.
Hey guys, so today's another day and I'm going to start or continue working with the pending task that I had yesterday, and it's a homepage mockups that I'm going to present. It's a video presentation that I'm going to present on my client, and also I'm going to start working on a dashboard for my team.
Things must pass, but I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, no, not yet, whoa. I'm afraid I'll end up nowhere. They keep saying I'll be fine, but how you know that I'll be there when it feels like I'm lying every time someone asks how it goes, and I save the details that actually mean something. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass, but I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, no, not yet, whoa. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, no, not yet, whoa. I'm not gonna wake up.
So I'm done with the mockup two versions for the homepage for my client. So instead of jumping ahead on a meeting, so I usually present a video through video. I'm using Loom. Yeah, it sort of sometimes clients are super busy with their schedule, so instead of having a meeting on a longer time or a longer period, so they usually appreciate this kind of presentation, and then after handing over the mockup samples or the prototype link on Figma, then we are now going to schedule a meeting to discuss the feedbacks of the created mockups.
Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you?
So it's weekends today, and it's Saturday. So I don't usually work during Saturday. I just hang out, chill, food trip, watch some movies, and today we are going to grab some pizza in Balanga. So I'm with my sister and her husband. So I'm just waiting for them. So yeah, sometimes you need, of course, to take a break from work, especially if the work is super stressful. So you need to refresh your mind, your body, take some break. That's normal. Going to eat this tamarind sampalok. I super love sour candies.
Stay till the